Ah, yes. Another beautiful morning in corporate captivity. She wakes up, not refreshed, not renewed,
Is it 6:30 already?
just rebooted
Then I just started to get some sleep.
like a dusty Dell laptop. Emails, deadlines, meetings that could have
Nope.
been Slack messages.
I can't do this. I cannot do this today.
Oh, wow.
I can't.
She's closing the laptop. No BRB, no meeting excuses, just done. You throw sunscreen into your beach bag like you're in a movie. She's not packing to escape. She's packing to revive her soul. She's not running from her responsibilities. She's gracefully walking into her peace era. The audacity, the confidence. We love it.
Woo! Work will be here tomorrow. I choose me today.
Why didn't she do this sooner? This is therapy. The beach is free-ish, and HR can't find her here.
Guys, I need this.
Studies show that one beach day per month reduces burnout by approximately 1,000%. Don't fact check that, just believe it. Healing? Accomplished. Emails? Ignored. Mood? Elevated. Because burnout isn't a badge of honor. And last time we checked, PTO doesn't stand for push through overwhelm. Tomorrow she'll be back on the grind, but today she chose peace, salt water, and sanity. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. She lived, she laughed, she left the office on read. Be honest. When's the last time you took a real break? A, I don't even know anymore. B, I took one in 2019. C, I live at the beach, I'm fine. D, I'm taking notes. This is genius.